Everyone is asking the same question: ChatGPT or Claude AI? Which one is actually better? I tested both using the same writing, coding, research, and reasoning tasks to find out which AI assistant gives the best overall experience. The results might surprise you. Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's start with ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and enter a real-world prompt. For this comparison, I asked both AIs. Write a YouTube script for an AI tool review targeted at a USA audience. ChatGPT quickly generated a well-structured script with a strong hook, clear sections, and natural language. It also supports image generation, file analysis, coding, web search, voice, conversations, and custom GPTs, making it a complete AI workspace. Now let's test Claude AI. Using the exact same prompt, Claude produced a detailed and highly readable script. Its biggest strength is handling long documents and maintaining context across lengthy conversations. It also excels at explaining complex topics in a clear, natural way. Now let's compare the results. For creative writing, both perform extremely well, but I give ChatGPT a slight advantage because of its flexibility and broader feature set. For coding and reasoning, both are excellent. Claude often provides very thoughtful explanations, while ChatGPT is faster for interactive problem solving and debugging. For research and productivity, ChatGPT offers web search, file analysis, image creation, and a wider range of built-in tools. Claude focuses more on high-quality writing, document analysis, and long context conversations. Now let's talk about pricing. Both platforms offer free plans with usage limits. Their paid subscriptions unlock higher limits, faster performance, premium AI models, and additional advanced features. So, which one wins? If you want an all-in-one AI assistant for writing, coding, research, images, automation, and everyday work, ChatGPT is my winner. If your main focus is long-form writing, document analysis, and thoughtful explanations, Claude AI remains one of the strongest alternatives available. If this ChatGPT versus Claude AI comparison helped you, like this video, subscribe for more AI comparisons, and I'll see you in the next one. Personal opinion, both are outstanding AI assistants. But for my workflow, ChatGPT offers the best balance of features, speed, and versatility, while Claude shines when working with long documents and detailed writing.